Hi all, and welcome to this quick tutorial. This is another Canvas tutorial. Today we're taking a look at an option to send to. You can send content to other Canvas users within your organization. And so for instance, if you are working with a team teacher and you want them to take a look at an assignment or use an assignment in one of their classes, if you're working at a grade level team, such as a 7th grade social studies team, you have an assignment you might want to share out to multiple teachers. You could use the Canvas Commons in order to push things out and have people go retrieve them, but there's a much faster, quick way to do this. And so let's take a look. Right now we're in a sandbox course inside of Canvas, and you'll notice that this is a module heading up here. You can actually send an entire module. So if you click the three-dot options menu, you'll notice a send to option here. So this send to allows me to send the entire module to one or more Canvas users based on their emails or their SIS logins. So notice here we've got a couple of different documents. There's a discussion that's graded, traditional assignment, a quiz, a page. When it comes to these sorts of things, if you look under the three-dot option, you'll notice the send to option here as well. So that option is available for a variety of content, not all content, but almost everything with the rich content editor. So today, let's go ahead and take a look at sending this video 321 exit ticket. Say I want to send this to a fellow educator within the Canvas domain. I click my three-dot options. I go to send to. It brings up a send to pop-up box, very much like you're addressing an email, for instance. Let's say I choose a teacher to collaborate with, and I choose their name. I can put multiple recipients into the send to bar. For the demo, I'm just going to go ahead and put one, but realize you could put more there. I'm going to click the send button, and you can see here that the content, there's an alert at the top of Canvas. The content was shared. The share was started successfully. So within a matter of minutes, depending on the size of the content and the amount of content you've sent, that'll be available for them. So where do they see that? Where do they go to look to see if they've received something? Usually they'll receive an alert in Canvas, but they can definitely go into Account in their global menu bar, and they can choose Shared Content, and that content would show up. I don't have any content that's been shared with me recently. My shared content box is empty, but this is where you would find that and be able to put that into modules and into courses that you wanted that in. So that's a brief look at send to. Very powerful feature when you're collaborating closely with educators within the same Canvas domain. So thanks for your time and attention, and I will see you in the next tutorial.